مثل الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله كمثل حبة
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. مثل الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله كمثل حبة أنبتت سبع سنابل في كل سنبلة 100 حبة والله يضاعف لمن يشاء والله واسع عليم. الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله ثم لا يتبعون ما أنفقوا منا ولا أذى لهم أجرهم عند ربهم ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. قول معروف ومغفرة خير من صدقة يتبعها أذى والله غني حليم.
لا يؤاخذكم الله باللغو في أيمانكم ولكن يؤاخذكم بما عقدتم الأيمان.
لا يؤاخذكم الله باللغو في أيمانكم ولكن يؤاخذكم بما عقدتم الأيمان. فكفارته إطعام 10 مساكين من أوسط ما تطعمون أهليكم أو كسوتهم أو تحرير رقبة. فمن لم يجد فصيام 3 أيام ذلك كفارة أيمانكم إذا حلفتم واحفظوا أيمانكم كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تشكرون. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما الخمر والميسر والأنصاب والأزلام رجس من عمل الشيطان فاجتنبوه لعلكم تفلحون.
إن شر الدواب عند الله الذين كفروا فهم لا يؤمنون.
إن شر الدواب عند الله الذين كفروا فهم لا يؤمنون. الذين عاهدت منهم ثم ينقضون عهدهم ثم ينقضون عهدهم في كل مرة وهم لا يتقون فإما تثقفنهم في الحرب فشرد بهم من خلفهم لعلهم يذكرون وإما تخافن من قوم خيانة فانبذ إليهم على سواء إن الله لا يحب الخائنين ولا يحسبن الذين كفروا سبقوا إنهم لا يعجزون
وقال الذي اشتراه من مصر لامرأته أكرمي مثواه عسى أن ينفعنا وقال الذي اشتراه من مصر لامرأته أكرمي مثواه عسى أن ينفعنا أو نتخذه ولدا وكذلك مكنا ليوسف في الأرض ولنعلمه من تأويل الأحاديث والله غالب على أمره ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون ولما بلغ أشده آتيناه حكما وعلما وكذلك نجزي المحسنين وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك قال معاذ الله إنه ربي أحسن مثواي إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
Now our turn is English interpretation. Please open Al-Quran and read chapter At-Tawbah, verse 100.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والسابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار والذين اتبعوهم بإحسان رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه وأعد لهم جنات تجري تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم.
Thank you. The meaning of the Qibla is السابقون الأولون,
the foremost to embrace,
the foremost to immigrate, to embrace Islam. المهاجرين,
the immigrant,
okay. الأنصار,
the helper.
أعد له,
Allah has prepared for them
الفوز,
success.
okay. Is there the background of revelation of this verse?
Nothing.
Tell us the correlation between this verse and the previous one.
After Allah mentioned in previous ayah about the Bedouins, the people who stay in Medina, who stay out of Medina, who believe in Allah, and also the Bedouins who stayed out of Medina, who are hypocrites. Then Allah mentioned then Allah mentioned in this ayah the people who are higher than them in decree among the believers who also stayed in Medina.
Okay. Now please explain this verse.
والسابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار, and the foremost to embrace Islam from the immigrant and the helper Ansar, والذين اتبعوهم بإحسان, and those people who follow them in good. Radiyallahu anhum, Allah well pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. This ayah talk about the virtues of Muhajirin, the immigrant who traveled to Medina with the messenger, the first party of them, and then wal Ansar and the helper, the people who make the pledge of Aqabah, the first Aqabah and the second Aqabah. Allah give them a very high degree before Allah. Also, we can look in this ayah the generation of Islam. The first generation Islam is the best generation ever. In Tafsir Al-Munir, Wahbah Zuhaili said it has three party. The first is the first one another is has different level in degree. The first party is those people who follow the messenger in the travel to Medina, and those people who follow Islam, who enter to Islam, like Khulafa Rashidin, and 10 people who are Allah has informed them that for them paradise. And the second is the helper from Al-Ansar, from Aus and Khazraj, who make the pledge of Aqabah, the first Aqabah and the second Aqabah. And the third party of this is the people who followed them, who followed the messenger, who followed companion of the messenger, and also who followed helper and immigrant in good. It includes tabi'in, because in one hadith Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Khairukum qarni, thumma alladhi yalunahu, thumma alladhi yalunahu." The best of you is qarni. It means the time of Sahaba, the time of companions, and then thumma alladhi yalunahu, thumma alladhi yalunahu. It means the generation after Sahaba. It means tabi'in. Allah also said in other ayah, "Kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat linnas." You are the best ummah that Allah has ever created in this world. And also Allah said in another ayah, وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَاكُمْ أُمَّةً وَسَطًا. Allah said this command in Surah Al-Baqarah. وَالَّذِينَ اتَّبَعُوهُمْ بِإِحْسَانٍ. This means these people who followed the messenger, companions, and also the immigrant and helper in good until the day of resurrection, until the hereafter. These people, radiyallahu anhum, Allah well pleased with them. Ridha is the first thing we seek in this world, because without ridha of Allah, we can't get anything. We can't arrive. We can't get paradise. Can never enter there. وَرَضُوا عَنْهُمْ. And these people who three party I mentioned before, they also pleased with him. They do whatever Allah ordered them. They never do what Allah has prohibited to them. وَعَدَّ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي تَحْتَهَا الْأَنْهَارُ. And the reward from Allah for them is the paradise. The reward for them from Allah is the paradise, because when we got ridha from Allah, we won't get anything. Allah has so much will. Allah is the one who have will in this world. So without Allah's will, we can't get anything. خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا أَبَدًا. They will dwell therein forever. The reward from Allah for these people is paradise, and this is the house that they will dwell therein forever. ذَلِكَ الْفَوْزُ الْعَظِيمُ. That is the place from Allah, and then paradise is the supreme success. That is the real success in this world, not the property we got in this world, and also we have so much children. But the real success is ridha Allah, the place from Allah, and also the paradise.
Yeah. Okay, but others said that the high grade in this world is ihsan. So what does it mean, ihsan? And how to achieve ihsan in our life?
Ihsan means أن تعبد الله كأنك تراه فإن لم تكن تراه فإنه يراك. This means ihsan. You worship to Allah alone, and تعبد الله كأنك تراه, as you look Him in front of you. فإن لم تكن تراه, and if you don't look Him, فإنه يراك, and surely Allah look at you. So ihsan is include all of the good deeds that Allah has ordered us, and also what the messenger has ordered us.
Yeah, but how to achieve al-ihsan in our life?
By follow the messenger, by follow what the scholar said maybe, and prohibited what the prohibition from Allah.
Okay. Here Allah mentioned al-muhajirin, al-ansar. Which one better between al-muhajirin and al-ansar? Is it the same grade or different grade?
They have different grade according what I have explained before. As-sabiqun al-awwalun from muhajirin is better than helper in degree, because they are the first people who believed in the messenger when the messenger in Makkah.
Yeah, okay. The end tell us the conclusion of the verse.
Conclusion we can take from this verse. is Tafdilul Sahaba. It means the superiority of these people among the immigrant who follow the messenger in the travel. And the second people who have a high degree in Islam is the helper of the messenger who is in Medina. And next conclusion we can take is Tabi'in, and also the people who follow the messenger, they also among the people who Allah placed with them. And the last, the supreme success is for those who pleases Allah and follow the messenger. This is for me.
Okay, thank you. May Allah bless you.
Sadaqallahul Azim.
Selamat datang kami ucapkan kepada Ibu Kepala Dinas Pertanahan Kabupaten Banda Meriah yang saat ini telah bersama dengan kita. Ladies and gentlemen, the next participant, number TF208. Question number of Tahfiz 8.12. Question number of Tafsir TE.20. Number TF208. Question number of Tahfiz 8.12. Question number of Tafsir TE.20. Time is yours. And please be ready for the next performance, TF209.